Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah. It's just taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. 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 I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone. Yeah.
Check in with you. I know that I need my you hyenas? What's going on? Let me rearrange some things so y'all can see my sign. Y'all see that? Let's do that one. I like that one. Hey, y'all mofos, what's going on? Cookie wants to say hi. Say hello, mofos. You say hi to them, not me. I've been seeing you all day. Cookie, you look like you crying. You crying? What's wrong? Who been messing with you? Because I know you're not trying to get them to call Peter for you. Because I ain't done nothing to her, y'all. I'm just telling y'all right now. Don't Cookie look like she crying? Cookie, you okay? You did something bad? You got something to tell me? Ain't no telling. Ain't no telling what's going on with her, okay? But she back, I guess. Looky. Here comes Cookie. Hey, y'all know what? I realized that Saturday, I ain't even speak to nobody. But hey, everybody. Okay, when I came up in the Bill Naives, hey, Susan. Hey, Potato. Period. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Okay? And also, click that bell notifications because we're getting into some shit today. Hey, Miss Bridget J. Y'all, my little Amazon head didn't come. And it was they said yesterday, it was supposed to come. Now it's coming tomorrow, which would have been today. And now they talking about tomorrow. It ain't coming until tomorrow. I wonder what's going on with it because now it's all of a sudden saying, like when I ordered it, it said they only had like 3 left or something like that. I paid for mine expeditiously. And I don't know why the hell my shade ain't coming today. They bet I had a sold out of it and then just trying to hold on to my money. Okay? Because Amazon, no, I don't play that shit. All right? They lucky I'm still fucking with them. I heard about that DEI shit, Amazon. Okay. Let's put that on the floor. But I might have to get rid of them anyway because they better not let us get final word that TikTok is here to stay. Okay. And then it's up and stuck. But hey, everybody. I just want to get up in the room because we want to talk about the disrespect out this bitch, okay? We want to talk about the disrespect. Let me sign. I might have to. Let me sign into my account. What's my phone number? Here's your name and your phone number. Call me anytime. Call me if you need someone to talk to. Call me. Satisfaction guaranteed. Okay. Let's put that in there. Okay, let's go to my shit. I want to. So what did y'all think about the last part of the reunion? What did y'all think about the last part of the reunion? can't stand it. And my men on fanboys. Child, hated it. Hey, Carol Marrell, what is up? Child. Y'all, Carol Marrell, the one that said Dion ponytails, braids look like silly braids. She ain't got no damn sense. Y'all know that, right? Hey, Brownie. Brownie, can you tell Didim I'm live? Because I'm not talking to her. Y'all, they kicked me out the group yesterday. Yeah. They kicked me out the group yesterday. Whatever happened on Patreon, it was enough for them to kick me out the group. So, if anybody want to join my Gossip Girl group, it's gonna be Gossip Girls too. Let me know. Creole, I don't know what I did. Right, Miss Gloria. I guess it might have been the edible. And they said I ended the live and ain't say shit. I thought I said everything. I said bye. I must have been on mute. But I thought I heard Simply talking back to me when I said bye, because I'm like, this it. I don't want to hear the part. I don't want them talking. I didn't want to, because Denim made us rewatch it, correct? So we rewatched it, and then at like the Stormy part, I wasn't interested in, and I didn't want to hear the stuff they was, after they had destroyed Kiki. No one offered any apology, and I just, you know what? Also, let me bring this shit the fuck up. Okay, because I want to put down on the floor right now. If it hadn't been for Kiki, we would have never known about Marceau and that ass pic. That we would have never known none of that. They would have just continued on with this gaslighting to Melody and Martell as if they hadn't had any infidelities or questions of it. Like she never even questioned it. And it ain't even the point about the infidelities. It's about, because I don't even think Melody give a fuck either. It's just the point about them lying about it. Like, what did y'all lie for? And clearly every party know what's going on. So what we lying for? What was the lies for? Tina, you was muted. Y'all, I'm gonna have to go back to Patreon and check it out and see, because I could have swore I said something at the end. They like, you just ended the Patreon, and we like, well, I guess we just done. I thought that I thought I said something, and if I'm not mistaken, I thought Simply was talking back to me. Was it all a dream, y'all? Was it the edible child? Yes, Uppity bullied her mercilessly. Like, I mean, just, it was so much shit. It was so much that they had done. Wait a minute. Was it the edible, or did they put some kind of substance abuse disclaimer up at the end of the episode? Or am I tripping? Or was it another episode or something that I might have seen? It was Simply's birthday, Alicia. She told me to. Hey, Astute. Hey, little Paulette and gang. Y'all, those are all content creators. Uppity, Relly, Astute, Scorpio Miz. Hey, Scorpio Miz, I see you in this mo. And Lil Paulette and the gang. They're all content creators. Brownie, content creators. Yes, y'all. I thought I seen that. And I was thinking, like, I know you fucking lying. Because y'all made substance abuse as a damn joke on that fucking show. Y'all allowed Marceau to bully her and try to shame her along with her fucking evil ass cousin. And I don't even like the part where she talking about some, it don't matter because it only mattered about the kids. Bitch, it's more that mattered about the damn kids. That's the fucking first and foremost, but she also had a damn husband, those kids' father, that's left here to hear the horrible shit that you and your mother and them had said about their fucking mom and wife, that your fucking mom continues to say. Let's not forget that. Because it's still happening to this day that she said disparaging things. So that shit pissed me off. I had told Diddum before, like, at this point, I didn't even want them to do anything because it's just, it's too little too late. And it was, to me, it was just a mockery to try to make it seem like Stormy was something. Carlos, why your bitch ass ain't pay for it? Or offer any donations? And was it a need for us to know if Kiki family needed help or anything? Or what their fucking financial situation was? Like, was that fucking necessary? Why was it even necessary for Stormy to even say that she paid for the funeral? Somebody very, very, very close to her didn't even know that or don't know nothing about that. So how they don't know that, but yet Carlos and the crew knew? I see if the family, their family, and I'm not talking about teaching them because I don't consider them family. I would see if they had came out and, you know, expressed thanks for that or something like that. They did not. So it should not have been repeated on this motherfucking raggedy ass show. In my opinion. I just think that was just tacky as fuck. It was disrespectful as fuck. And to me, Tisha's little speech was not genuine or sincere. But that's indicative of how their behaviors are anyway. I think that the only genuine person up there in this case was Dusty and Melody. I don't know if Martell had a reaction. I didn't really look at him like that. But Marceau, A motherfucker that walks around with pants like this had the fucking audacity to sit up there next to his stupid ass wife with a look of, I don't give a fuck. And Tisha, knowing all that you had done with them fake ass motherfucking tears, I don't believe, in my fucking opinion, that she give a fuck then or now. I don't. They are horrible motherfucking people, and they're going to get every fucking thing that they deserve. They are. For you to even sit, and Marques and Cammy, I think they were crying out of guilt. People say that Tisha was crying out of guilt. I disagree. She wasn't really crying. I don't think she feels guilty at all. And I can't tell nobody how to grieve. I'm not. This is just my observation. Because by some chance, she might feel away. But in that moment where she spoke and tried to make it seem like other people put their feelings on something that wasn't really the fucking case. Like you was your cousin and y'all talked. No, the fuck y'all didn't. You had just said barely 2 weeks before she passed that she was DOA to you. You said that shit. We didn't put that shit in your mouth. We didn't say that shit. We talked about how fucking horrible you treated her. But wanted some type of motherfucking red carpet rollout for her treatment of you, just like you expect from every motherfucking body else. But you expect to treat them like shit. You and Kimmy old boot mouth ass. But yet, everybody fucking else is at fucking in harm's way, or it's everybody else's fault that you fucked over your own blood cousin. And I don't give a fuck what Show Enough got to say about Melody at the end of the fucking day and the beginning of that same day. Melody was a friend to Kiki. She wasn't Kiki's family. And she still handled Kiki with better fucking grace than y'all motherfuckers did. Y'all didn't extend no fucking grace, not for the condition or the state that she was in. Not as it came opposed to her trying to take care of her fucking family, because she was in that motherfucking show. Y'all bitches set her up from the beginning, along with fucking Stormy. So I do not feel no motherfucking ways tied about y'all raggedy ass, fake ass motherfucking tears. Stormy too. In my opinion, Stormy too. Stormy too. Because I told y'all, as much of a fucking crybaby as Stormy is, when she came online the day of or the day after Kiki passed, that bitch wasn't crying. And I found it strange that she wasn't crying. I found that very strange, since she cries all the time. For any fucking thing, she crying. But this person that you claim you cared about and all this type of stuff, you had this close relationship with and all this shit, you didn't drop a fucking tear? But you on that motherfucking bitch, please. Not taking into account what you did with motherfucking Benny. You believe Benny over her, remember? So I don't give a fuck about them up there with that bullshit. And like I said again, if Stormy indeed paid for that funeral, that should have been something that her family would have expressed should they have wanted to. Don't bring your bitch ass on this fucking screen and then act like Kiki was a fucking charity case to y'all raggedy, low-life ass motherfuckers. And Tisha, you wasn't even fucking talking to damn Stormy. So how the... all that bullshit y'all fucking talk. Why the fuck did Stormy pay for it? It should have been a thank you, but no thank you. You can give it, you can, provide whatever you want, if you want to feel that out your heart to give to a meme and the kids or whatever. But the funeral, we got it. We got that. But no, you let a fucking damn squash nose bitch pay for your cousin's funeral that you and your fucking husband dogged the fuck out of. You accuse that girl of popping pills. Again, what if she was making fun again of an addiction? Because she had already told y'all at the barbecue when you got splashed that her best friend was hooked on drugs. So why would you then get your gator skin ass at this fucking reunion? And thank you so much. It go toward your heart. Oh, she ain't got a black heart because she paid for your cousin's funeral. Something your bitch ass wasn't willing to do. Your black-hearted ass wasn't willing to do. Your millionaire ass wasn't willing to do. So let me guess. You went to the bank and they said, that shit y'all do on TV, that shit ain't happening here. This ain't that. So we'll withdraw, let you withdraw the 15 motherfucking cents your ass have available. Please leave this bank. Or did y'all even attempt to offer the shit? Just low fucking down. And then to try to sit up there and act like Mel was stone-faced. When you can clearly see that her eyes were red as fuck. You can clearly see that when they showed Kiki's package and hers, she was on the verge of breaking down. Marceau handed her a tissue, 2 tissues. And it was when Carlos had started fake crying. He cried more for Martell being still in love with Melody. So that's why I would have been fine if we didn't have that. Because I knew it was going to piss me the fuck off. I knew it was going to hurt her family. They probably don't even want to watch that shit from what people is saying. They probably like, well, I can't do it. Y'all, this Miss Connie, Kiki had been in her life more than she was alive. She had Kiki at 14, 15 years old. If y'all see that picture of Miss Connie and Kiki when she had Kiki and Kiki was a baby, she looks like a 10-year-old girl with a baby doll in her hand. So if you can just grasp that, like any mother would feel this way, but if you can grasp like they grew up together. She wasn't but 14, 15 years older than her. That's like our auntie or something. You know what I'm saying? Not our mother. So they had this special bond, like this special, like no other, like that was her baby when she was just a baby. Her kids, her husband. It was no need for y'all to insult her in her fucking death. And I feel like that's what that raggedy, funky ass motherfucking bullshit clip was. A fucking mockery of Kiki's life. It was no mention that she was part of this sorority, the same sorority Kimmy is. That she was the youngest Black professor to ever grace A&M. What about some of the literature that she had wrote? Remember, Tisha, you stole her illustrations? You stole her illustrations for her book and the literature that she was writing. But it was no mention of that. Never. Not even after she was gone on that reunion fucking stage. And if you felt any fucking way about it because y'all raggedy ass bitches was still fucking filming, if you had any type of remorse for what you had done to your fucking cousin, I'm going to say to your old friend, you would have made them honor her. And you would have slapped the fuck out of your fucking husband for the way that he was looking. Just get the fuck off the stage. If you gonna look like that, get the fuck off the stage. But she ain't do that, because had that been my motherfucking husband about one of my motherfucking kin folks, we might have had to break the fuck up. Because I mean, damn. Like, damn. This what the fuck you think about my motherfucking cousin? Like, really? And the sad thing about it is that y'all know, just like with Melody, that she ain't did shit to y'all. All she did was know y'all motherfucking truths. That's it. And she still didn't air y'all motherfuckers out. She still didn't air y'all motherfuckers the fuck out. All the shit y'all had done. It, Kiki knew some shit about them, y'all. And she could have aired them out because them motherfuckers went to hell about her. And she didn't. She didn't. And I think that probably was one of the reasons why Mel severed ties with her, because she knew the type of people that Tisha and them was. And she also knew the type of person that Kiki was. And she knew at the beginning and end of the day, that was Kiki's family. And that she knew whether they felt that way about her, that at the end of the day, it was going to be her family. She knew that's how Kiki was. Even though they disowned her and disrespected her and all of that shit, because we've seen it with our own eyes, that Kiki took them back, got back cool with them, thinking they want to just, be family and, we move on, make this money together. No. Because Tisha is a selfish, ugly bitch. And she is ugly, inside and out. I don't give a fuck how much makeup she put on. She's ugly. Inside and out. That means she's ugly to her motherfucking core. Because she didn't want nobody in her family to be on TV with her, to have no type of come up or anything. Because Kiki had already been the professor making thousands of dollars a month and shit like that. When they were younger, she was the star. Still live. Even whatever, she wasn't a professor no more. She still had it. And Tisha was jealous of it. Jealous of it. Because they tried to make her seem like a common day crackhead. And then she got mad because Kiki was getting love from the fans. So you acting like and fake pretending like you this boss ass bitch, but people still preferred that person you tried to put off as a common day C-head. They still favored her. Her husband, no matter what infidelities they had back and forth, still favored her and a crack a motherfucking head about her ass. Unlike yours, bitch. That little via motherfucking shit that he had at that reunion, why he gonna try to switch seats with you because Ken and Marques was arguing. Motherfucker, shut the fuck up. What about you switching seats with her when motherfucking Martell was on her ass? You know Ken wasn't gonna do nothing. Acting like now you a fucking protector. I think he just moved over so he can hear the shit better. Or try to whisper and sit for Ken to say to Marques. Because it seemed like all the men on the cast got a crush on Marques, in my fucking opinion. Wait a minute. Let me see something. Wait, y'all, what's going on with the Marques stuff? Sorry, y'all, I had got off topic. Somebody sent me something. So yeah, I just, like I said, I just preferred that they not had not said anything because it just didn't do her any justice. It didn't do her any fucking justice. They didn't offer any apologies. They didn't stand anything. And another thing, how you know that they're full of shit is because, again, just like Melody, the Scots knew Kiki hadn't done shit to them. They were all mad because they know Kiki, not Kiki, Tuna T talks so fucking much. So they know, even with Maurice and Kimmy, they know that whatever she did know firsthand, Tuna T had told her. So they took that same page that they do with Melody out, and now they're doing the Martell out of fucking damn the Scots book, and they, you know, bullied her because she knew their truth. That's it. She hadn't done shit to him. Melody hadn't done shit to him. Even at the Christmas party, like I said, even though I feel like Kiki shouldn't have said nothing, what she did say wasn't shit. Was that she had to question her marriage sometime. Who the fuck haven't? Like, she didn't say you were cheating or he was cheating or you told her he was cheating. She just said y'all had to question the shit, which turns out you had. And then another thing that they played on the reunion when she was talking about the text message that fucking Mel sent Martell, or Marceau sent Mel, and she responded. That was inappropriate. Bitch, again, why the fuck are you in his phone? If you don't have any fucking questions or anything about your fucking marriage. But if they were sincere and had learned any type of lessons, or even if they had felt like they played a part in whatever happened with Kiki, it would have been a revelation to not just apologize to Kiki, but apologize to Tiffany, apologize to Melody, apologize to Stormy. Because at some point, they've made all of those people feel like shit just for knowing their fucking truths. And have went on this lynch mob mentality against them just because they know your truths. Just like when Tisha said that that Marceau what do you call it? That Marceau was saying these men that Martell was sleeping with at the field day. And why they ain't talk about field day at all? We ain't get shit about field day. Why? When y'all gonna talk about somebody else sexual escapades beside Melody's? Because even when he was asking Shaboing Boing about her and Martell, they didn't get explicit like they get with Melody. But I digress. But I feel like that was the secret that they all had that they said they would never tell is about them sleeping with men. I don't think it's just Martell. And if y'all notice one thing that the Scotts always do is try to deflect and throw shit out there that they've done onto the other person, so that when the person be like, "What, you did that?" They can like, they only saying that because I said they were gay. So I feel like Marceau, if he did that at that field day and said that Martell was gay and or not gay, but said that the sleeping with the men and stuff like that down low, I feel like if he was saying that at that field day, he only said it because he was taking the power from Martell, that little secret that he had on all of them, to get it out first. Because they try to discredit people when they do shit like that. They wanted to get the shit out first, right? So that when Martell be like, "You gay," and then, you know, he'd be like, "Well, he only said it because I said that he was gay, or that he sleep with men," or whatever the case may be. Now that takes the power out of Martell's hand, because even if he do say it now, we're going to look at it as just retaliation for what Marceau already said about you. So they're all full of shit. They're always playing these fucking mind games with people. And I just feel like even with Marceau, with the stuff that he was trying to put off on Kiki, him and Tisha, I think that was, and what she tried to do to Stormy, I think that's what Marceau do. Because it has been a lot of things about Marceau and Maurice, as opposed to the, okay. Not Cookie not barking at her sister, child. 1 second, y'all. My daughter here. Shut up, Cookie. Come here, Mills. Let me see you. Okay. She about to take her shoes off. Sit down, Cookie. Hey, what kind of shoes you got on? They lace up to the neck? Right. Not you over here, child. Let me show them a little sample. Let them see your little stomach, child. Guess who got a little baby on the way? Child. Guess who about to be a new grandma again? Can y'all see it? Look at it. Y'all, can I put it up for little porn, child? Right. She talking about some Get out of here. You walk around here half naked anyway.
That costs $20. No,
what?
Look.
Oh my God, I cannot. Now she charging to look at the belly. What y'all think she gonna have? Y'all see her little stomach?
You did that?
Her little groomer. Okay, y'all, let me go run and get her something. I'll be right back. Y'all listen to the music while I'm gone, okay? I don't want to hear nothing else out your mouths, all right? I'll be right back.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Things been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing baby, saying baby, love it shit. You know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Taking that off.
Sorry, y'all, for the brief intermission. You said what, Bills? Guess nothing. Pull that up there and get the steaks from. There's some steaks down at the bottom.
What about your meat guy?
That's where I got that from.
No, I'm saying you got some. He's doing the meat.
I'll call him tomorrow.
I'm trying to see if I can put some meat for him.
Take some of them too.
Please.
Put them in the back, Ziploc bag. All right, y'all. We back. I got a little stalker here. Not y'all over there trying to sing. Y'all ain't no good. Yeah, take those before they get freezer burn. Wait a minute. I think those pork chops too.
No, it's these two bags, pork chops.
Oh, okay. You want some of the pork chops? Put some in there. Take that whole pack.
Listen, I take the small stack.
Yeah. All right, sorry, y'all. Okay, now let's get into this mofo here. Because y'all know from the reunion last week, let me share my screen. Well, last Saturday, Kimmy likes to pipe up when shit ain't got shit to do with her. Oh, long fucking face ass. Okay. Let me share my screen because it don't cost a thing. And let's see here. So this is on the part where Marques and Ken Num and Shaboing Boy Num is arguing back and forth. Y'all see where we at? Because I got to put my overlay on because they're going to strike me on down. Let me get it here. I'm trying to think which one I want to put up. Let me put this one up. No, let me put that. Let me put back Marcel. Let me put this one on. Okay.
I'm always gonna be their father.
You haven't
never,
though.
They will
You
never,
haven't done.
will never.
Name a time you get. We give you
They
money.
will-
We give you money.
What have
We
you
never
given
give you.
me?
You borrow money from your son. Bro, you're a bum.
You can call me whatever you want, but Trish, don't sit here and exclude all of the 15, 16, 17, 18 years that I had with our children and me and you before he came. Don't sit here and act like none of that existed.
What is the status of your divorce?
It's filed. It's filed. Yes.
I ain't seen no paperwork. That's still my wife.
Well, you got to go.
Well, you had 30 days, buddy, and if you didn't get the,
I mean,
Ken, how the fuck is you an expert on motherfucking divorce that your bitch ain't fucking had yet? So how you such a damn expert on the damn divorce and the time frame in Alabama? All right. Love you.
And I send when I add some more stuff to it.
Okay.
I'm gonna send it to you.
All right. Sit down, Cookie. Love you too. Yeah, so like seriously? And you got 30 days. That ain't true because they shit still in motherfucking court. When she filed a couple days after your damn probation was finalized. Ken. And then what they call them, cannabis Ken. And then Marques then responded to like November something after this reunion. So bitch, you know this shit ain't motherfucking damn dead and gone. You know the fucking damn divorce is still active. With her lying fish-eye fool-looking ass.
That's fine. I'm good. I hope you pay for it.
I definitely did because you couldn't afford it.
I mean, you don't know none of my status, my guy.
Sure.
If he couldn't afford the shit, why the fuck you couldn't afford a damn lawyer when you had that drug charge on your ass? While you had a public damn defender. So can you afford an attorney for them to explain what the hell the divorce shit is to you? Because clearly you don't know what the fuck the procedure is.
Brother, I have no beef with you in real life.
I have beef with you in real life. Like, this is not reality. This is reality TV, but this is real life. I have real beef with you.
This is all I want. As the mother and the father of
You're not a father. You're not a father. You're a bonus guy.
Just mother and father.
Play your part.
You don't want somebody in your children's life that doesn't want to take care of them.
I don't have.
Bitch, when the fuck did he say he didn't want them to take care of them? He don't want for the shit that he do for them to be constantly thrown up in his motherfucking face. As if he not doing the shit because he with their motherfucking mama and you living in the goddamn house with him. Hello? Hello? Can we get a damn... What the fuck are you talking about? People are missing the point here. It's not the point about Ken doing shit. This is just going back to what I was saying about Stormy in the funeral. Why the fuck do people got to know every motherfucking thing you do? Why do people have to know that? Ken, why do people have to know what you're doing for Shaboing Boing and her kids? Marques can't take their daughter to fucking dance class every fucking day. He can't pick her up every motherfucking day. He lives out of town. But it's fine for some people. And you and Maurice been interjecting in shit this whole motherfucking time and other shit that don't have nothing to fucking do with y'all. Kimmy, you've been involved in this motherfucking situation, you and Maurice, since the beginning. Because y'all want to latch on to a storyline that got something to do with some motherfucking body else except that fucking DUI. Or that fucking didn't come home last night. When love didn't bring him home. Remember that? While you asking some damn questions. Ask Maurice where the fuck was he at that night? Traveling pants and the damn Yaya sisters? Is that where he was at watching that movie? Shit. But let's finish what her goose ass gotta say.
I have respect for him ever.
Okay, so
because
Marques.
you know why? Because I have a power of discernment and I have God in me. And God told me that this man right here.
Are we there yet?
I've been here 3
Shut
years.
the fuck up. And look how Mel looking at them. Because Mel know how this shit feel for all of them to sit there and pile up on somebody. She looking like, Marcel, shut the fuck up. You don't even know your fucking kid's middle name probably. And your motherfucking ass, you had the nerve. We'll play it when we finish with this. Okay, let me get these 2 super chats. Thank you, Miss Bridget J, for the super chat. Kim Quite Granny looked horrendous, period, and did. Try to talk some shit looking like a damn old ass madam. Thank you again for the super chat. Marques said he's contesting it because she said they have no minor children. Hashtag liar. Okay, I'm gonna have to show y'all these documents. Let me see if they still in my in this one right here that I could show y'all. Because I don't know why people acting like I ain't break this case with these divorce documentations, okay? Because y'all know y'all heard around Chia with these divorce documentation. Let me get her the money song real quick. Oops. Go back to StreamYard. I'm sharing the wrong screen. Put this back. All right, there we go. We back where we need to be. Okay, let me see here. Pull this up because it look like we got some splaining to do around here. Okay. Here we go. All right, let me share this screen here because it don't cost a thing. Let's see what's going on with the divorce documentation, okay? Because they only have an update from December, and it was just assigned to a judge, so it's not done or anything yet. Okay. So this is their divorce decree that Chaboing Boing filed. Let me see if we can get the date. Where's the date? Wait a minute, let me make this bigger. I don't know why I'm sitting here struggling. Knowing good and damn well I can't see. Okay. Y'all here with me? Okay. Type contested divorce. Wait a minute, let me see if we can get the data on here. Okay, 10/25 is when I requested this. When do anybody know the date of the reunion? Okay, here you go. 9/19. And we know that Ken's probation was finalized on 9/16 or 17. And then she did the divorce. She filed for the divorce. The type is a contested divorce. But here it says number of defendants, 1. Oh, this say defendants, not dependents. Oh, so this changes everything. Let me make this bigger. Oh, I thought this said number of dependents with a P. So my blind ass need them glasses for real, because this says 1. And I said before, I was saying like, I don't know what he's talking about, that she, because okay, wait a minute. Let's go to his, right? Because she did put in here defendant 1, so that's just Marques, right? Okay, let's move on down here. Oh. Because I want to see, is it a spot on here where it says the dependents? The pro se mean that no attorneys are involved. So since you got so much fucking money, Ken, why you ain't pay for her an attorney to file this shit? And y'all know what else I figured out? Let me get back to the screen before I want to tell y'all this. Something else I figured out about Shaboing Boing and Martell is that, do anybody know the date that Mel filed for divorce? Do anybody know the date that Mel actually filed for divorce? We know she left in what, April 4th or April 3rd of 2020. Do anybody know when exactly she filed that divorce? Anybody got the date? June 29th. So that's when Ken and Shaboing Boing had already been, Shaboing Boing and Martell had already around before then. Because this how I came to this conclusion. So she came to his motherfucking house in June or damn May. And that could also be why Chris Fletcher went ahead and like linked them up, because he like, shit, he got a baby on the way. Mel ass is gone and ain't thinking about his motherfucking ass. So he ain't getting her back. So might as well go ahead and finish thotting and bopping because of this, right? Because do y'all remember, I don't know where Marques was talking. Was he, who the fuck was he talking to when he said, do y'all remember he said this? He said he found out that that Shaboing Boing and Marques and Martell had fucked around. And then he said, and the next day he seen Melody at the courthouse. Do y'all remember that? No, I know the divorce wasn't finalized until 2021. I think it's March 12th or 14th of 2021. But no, I'm talking about when she filed. Because Marques said he had found out that they had messed around. I think it was before the Millichan interview. He said he had found out that she was messing with Martell, and then he said, and the next day he seen Melody at the courthouse. So she probably was at the courthouse filing for divorce. Miss All Things Helen G, Miss Baby, I can't do it. I can't do it with Show Enough Numb, because I can't hear that disgusting stuff. I cannot hear that disgusting stuff that she was saying about my Kiki. I can't do it. I can't listen to the stuff she said about Melody, but definitely not. I can't do it. I can't do that one. Yeah. So that's what I think that she was fucking on Martell. Is so he was messing with her. Mel left in April. You had another bitch in y'all house before June? By June? So the whole time he trying to beg her back and all this motherfucking shit, and not to mention having Coleslaw pregnant, you still trying to get other bitches. And Ken more than proved that they fucked too, because he gonna talk about when Marques was talking to Melody, he talking about he a scammer and you just don't, because he doing the same. Mel like, look, anytime he done ever reached out to me, it's only been about business and that's it. Like, that's it. So he doing the same thing that Martell did with Trish. Believe me, he want to do more than business. So now you agree that Martell, she went over there to fuck Martell. And you think she left indie-dicted? Do you really believe that, Ken, that she left empty-dicted? Because like Marques said, on that stage in front of Martell and Shaboing Boing, if she went over there, she fucked. Okay? And that's on P. I'm just saying, okay? I'm just saying. That's how I figured out when she went there. She went there when around that time. She was there around that time. Because he said too that he heard her on the phone with one of her friends saying that he was talking about Melody. And then he said that she said he was getting on her nerves, but she had needs. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hey, Kenny Kanate. He heard her on the phone. He said he heard her on the phone talking to one of her friends. He was over there ear hustling. Thank God, because we'll never get the truth. And that's why Martell keep denying that shit. He denied that shit in front of Melody. Because if you think about it, remember that time when they was exchanging the kids and he didn't want to leave, and he was like something about somebody coming to the house. She was like, motherfucker, you done had this bitch all in my fucking house already. Get the fuck out of here. So you just bringing bitches to your house? Martell is a disrespectful ass motherfucker. Like, he's beyond disrespectful. So that's two bitches that we know of that's been to the fucking crib. Just bringing bitches to their fucking house. But want her to take his... Child. Want her to take him back. And Ken talking about he 100% believer, and then talking about trust her, and then go when Marques was like, if she went over there, they fuck. It was a mucking going on, and then he talking about well, if she did, it was before me. No, the fuck it wasn't before you. It was during you. It was during you. Because why the fuck does she keep on lying about it? And if you 100% trust her, it wouldn't have been no if she did. It would have been like she didn't. Period. And then for her to say she didn't know about Martell and Melody. Weren't you cool with Martez, Neckbone? Because y'all damn sure giving the same muscle motherfucking neck. You probably Mrs. Neckbone. Child, she probably fucked on Marquez, Martez, Martell, and Marquez. Montez, Neckbone. She knew Neckbone was locked up. Both of y'all already said that y'all knew they was on the show. You was on his at his party for the damn premiere thing, for the for that magazine thing. You was there. So how you gonna say you don't know shit about the fucking show or nothing like that? You ain't know he was on the show and married to somebody and had got a divorce. Yo motherfucking lying ass knew. Then how the fuck you even hear about the shit to come on it? Because that's all they talk about is Mel and Martell when they was married. Let's move on. Let's get back to these documents. So where y'all see that it says number of dependents, children, none. File. Flag set to Y. Assigned to judge. Karen Hall. Requested case assignment. Status. Active case. Certificate of divorce, September 19th. Okay, let me go to the last page. This it on this part. Let me okay, and let me show y'all, because Marques did put that on his rebuttal. Okay, let's look at this. Let me share my screen again. Sorry, y'all. Okay. So this is his rebuttal to the divorce, right? To whom, let me make this bigger because I'm going to read it. Okay. To whom it may concern, I would like to address the filing of divorce documents filed by the plaintiff, Latricia Redis Burnett. According to what was filed, the plaintiff is stating that we have no children from this marriage. Like, he did put this, but when I read this, I went back to his thing and was like, oh, that he didn't put that on there, that he didn't put I went back to the original document, and I thought when it says number of defendants, I thought it said number of dependents. Okay, so we have stand corrected over here on WHENTAYTALK because I was mistaken. Okay, let me get to this super chat really quick. Thank you again, Miss Bridget J. The court clerk saw it and brought this to his attention before he signed the papers. See, Queen Sheba's interview. Oh my God, I gotta go and check them out because I think the other part dropped today. Thank you, Papa's Peppa's love. Thank you for the super chat. Come through, Detective Tay. Period. Okay. Period, child. Let me get y'all the money song before we continue. 1 second.
Check money. All I really wanna see is the. I don't really need a D, I need the. All a bad bitch need is the.
Okay, so let's get it back into it. So somebody might have did just tell him that shit, because that was the first thing he put on this motherfucking paper. And he says, according to what was filed, the plaintiff is stating that we have no children from this marriage, which is a lie and should be considered perjury. He said he gonna prosecute her to the motherfucking fullest. Are y'all hitting the like button up here? Because you got the court documents that we've been played back in October, okay? But we back on the scene. Back on the scene, okay? We back on the scene because we got to reiterate this shit, okay? Because it looked like there's some questions out here in the goddamn streets, okay? So he said, according to the law, you know, this should be considered perjury. I can see her doing that shit. I am asking that you consider a custody hearing for my 10-year-old daughter that is from our marriage. Her birthday is December, blah, 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 2013. We also have an adult son who is 18 years old. He was born March, whatever, 2006. She has consistently lied to me and has alienated me from my children for the last 4 years. We are cast members on a national TV reality show called Love and Marriage Huntsville, and she has a boyfriend, Kenneth Lee, is living with her, with my minor child. I don't know what that is. Minor child with my minor child. What is this? Can y'all see what that is? For the last 2 or 3 years without my knowledge. I requested that you remove the boyfriend from the house while my children are present. And he signed this 11/14/2004. Oh, overnight. Oh, okay. Oh, he spelled night with a T, no GHT. Okay. So this was the 14th of November. This is the second page. Oh my God, we got so much to unpack. The boyfriend, Kenneth Lee, has threatened me with a pow in the past, verbally assaulted me in public, and he just fucking did that on that reunion when he called him a fucking bum. Let's clear up some things. Let's clear up some fucking things. Number one, you disrespectful as fuck, Ken. Because how do you claim to love these kids so much, yet you're disrespecting their fucking father in public by calling him a fucking bum? What makes him a bum? It's seeming like, and for the life of me, I know deadbeat daddies pisses people off, but usually they piss the mother of their kids off. Every time Shaboy get ready to air her grievances out, when she should be the one that's mad, Ken telling her to shut up so he can fucking talk. What the fuck is your problem? You there because you with her. So you gonna do the motherfucking shit that you doing because you with her. Why this shit ain't been a fucking problem? Verbally assaulted me in public and on social media /TV. He has accused me of doing drugs and slander me. So here, see this right here. You accusing him of this shit, but yet you fucking possession of shit, trafficking of shit. By saying I was a homosexual, which I am not. I think that's what he wants you to be. He has went on Facebook Live and disclosed my daughter's and son's government names along with their daily routines. He got a point there. I am in fear of mine and my children's well-being. I ask that you also consider emotional distress and some compensation. Since you got so much damn money, Marques said, give me some. The plaintiff was, what is that? Oh, The plaintiff was engaged. He put it with an I, child. Marques. I could have, let me do the paperwork from here on out, okay? I'm going to type it out because I can't write either. The plaintiff was engaged in an extramarital affair starting sometime in October 2017. He won't let that shit go. This happened. Ken and Shaboy been messing around for quite some time. The defendant, Marques, you the defendant, Latricia, has video and text messages of this affair. Also, the defendant's boyfriend, Kenneth Lee, has threatened me via phone, which I have audio evidence, but Carlos didn't want to play that. But let that have been Martell with the audio, the recording of mail. He would have played that shit. Evidence of, and my phone. Oh, in my phone, showing a pattern of threats and insults. Please consider joint legal custody. I would like to have my daughter with me 1 week or 2 weeks out of the month. Also would like to consider home record law. Thank you for your time and consideration. And I believe that they told him this at the court, that she put that it was that they had no kids. Because this is the first sentence he put in this damn rebuttal here. First sentence. So I believe they told him that, because I don't think that he would have known any otherwise. I really believe that that's what they told him. And this had to be somebody at the court to tell him this shit, again, because I don't think he would have just understood it on his own. And you know, they probably was like, oh, she trying to do this, she trying to do that, y'all ain't got no kids, whatever. Like, oh, she put on, y'all ain't have no kids. I think that happened. I think this happened. So that's his rebuttal. And y'all see that this shit was November 14th, 2024. Well after the 9/19 time that she filed this shit. More than 30 days. So Ken, I thought they was automatically divorced after the 30 days. Motherfucker. Since you know the damn law so fucking much. Why you ain't know that you weren't supposed to be trafficking damn Mary Jane? Okay. So there we have that. Now, y'all done got me off into this shit right here. We might have to do another video because I have to get up out of here. So so what else has been going on about these damn court documents? Because, let me see. I don't want to pull up Miller Chan's stuff because y'all need to go over there and watch it. Let's see here. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Wait a minute, let me look at this email. See if I can make this big. Okay, let me see what's going on with this. Oh, this has the names on here. Let me see if I can see a date on this, Mo. Well, you know what? It do say at the top that's for child support. It don't say that for the divorce. Y'all know what? Let me do this right here. Okay. Let me get into this. Let me go back on here. Let me get back on Alicourt, okay? Let me get into Alicourt. I'm about to see if something else been filed for Trisha that's related to the divorce thing. Let me see if she got another thing on here. Let me get her correct spelling of her name. Y'all bear with me. I'm about to let me do another search to see if I can find this child support case here. Okay. I'll share this on the screen so y'all can see me doing a live investigation. We in this thing, okay? Okay, let me see here. Let me cover this up so y'all don't see my payment information, but y'all eager tells. Okay. 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 Small claims. District Silver. Small claims. And then it's just this. I already have this. But let me click on it anyway. See, I got all their paperwork right here. And this was the last one. This one right here is when they and on 13th it was sent to a judge, and that's the only activity they had on the case. I don't see her child support one. Let me Let me stop sharing that real quick, because I don't need y'all to see everything I've been up to. Let me look at the other papers from her thing. 1 second. Oop. Okay, y'all, we got action. We got action. Now, I haven't had a chance to take anything out, okay? But I found the divorce complaint. Wait, oh shit. Oh, I see what she did. I see what she did. It looked like she thank you, Lady V. 1 second. It looked like she filed the wrong. You know what, y'all? Let me put some watermarks on this shit real quick, y'all, and then I'll show you what she did. I'll show y'all what she did. Give me 1 second. Let me download this and then put my watermarks and stuff on it and cross out their addresses and stuff, and then I'll I'll put it on a screen so we can look at it together. Just give me 1 second. Let me get in here. Y'all talk amongst yourselves. It's only going to take me a moment. Uno momento. Let me attach this. Damn, I had these documents all this time. I don't be going through all of them. I'd paid for them before. Okay. See, this I don't be going through everything. This I could have just saved that money, but let me. Okay. All right. Give me a minute. Child. This mofo is something here, okay? Okay. Your address, phone number. What the fuck is this? Let me cross the notary out. Okay. All right, y'all. We almost here. All right, y'all. Let's download them. Give me a second. Y'all waiting. Y'all can be hitting that like button. Y'all can be hitting that like button. In the meantime, hit that reaction button. Hey, Black women are in the building. These. Cha. Hit that like button. Okay, we got documents. We got documents. Let me see. Did I name this mofo? All right. We on deck. Y'all. Look at y'all. Part of the damn case. Y'all ain't shit but the damn Scooby-Doo detective agency. Wait a minute, let me get this super chat. Thank you again, Lady V, for the super chat. And another one. Period. Period. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for the support. Hold on, let me get the money sound.
Tell them that it's a money, money, green, green, money's all I need, money, money, green, green.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. So this one, divorce complaint. So this right here, it says in parentheses, no minor children, no assets or debts for the court to divide. So it could possibly be that she filed the wrong form. Okay. It could possibly be that she filed the wrong type of form. But this clearly states divorce complaint, no minor children. That was the first thing I seen before I really seen divorce complaint. No minor children, no assets or debts for the court to divide. And this means too, as of September the 19th, that she knew that he was living in Huntsville by then. So why did she say that he only had seen the kids 3 times since Mimosas with Melody? Because he has a Huntsville address. Let's read through it, y'all. I am the plaintiff in this case. I agree that the court can make decisions in this case. I declare that the following information is true, that the defendant is aged 19 or older, had resided in Alabama for the last 6 months. That's another lie. Oh, sorry. That's not, it's I have resided. Sorry. Sorry, y'all. Cat got out the cage. Okay. Tiger got out of the cage. Okay. So she said I have resided. Okay. Okay, cool. So she do reside in Alabama for the last 6 months. Okay. I'll give her that. The defendant and I were legally married on May 19th, 2006. Wasn't her post on social media on the 9th of May? Child. Wasn't that picture that she posted about the anniversary? Wasn't that the 9th of May? Maybe it was the 19th, child. Who knows? The defendant and I no longer live together. We separated on August 2020. But before y'all separated, you was all up at the Martell house, motherfucker, training. We last lived together in Madison County. Okay, here, go right here. The defendant and I have no children from this marriage under the age of 19, and the wife is not pregnant. What the fuck? The defendant and I have already divided our personal property, automobile, furniture, clothing, bank accounts, etc., and do not need a court order to divide our property. The defendant and I do not. You had to have read this, and this was notarized. So that means this notary that I shouldn't have scratched her name out, because that notary need to be fucking exposed too, because this is what the fuck you filed. And the notary's supposed to go through this shit with you to make sure it's not right. And if I'm not mistaken, wasn't that fucking them kids there when she had that notary? Over there fake pretending signing this bullshit? The defendant and I do not own any real estate together, such as a house or land. The defendant and I do not have any joint debts that we need to be divided by the court. Shit, Ken. Shaboing boing, you need to divide Ken ass. It looked like, because he wants damn you and damn Marques. The defendant and I no longer get along nor live together. We argue and cannot get along. Did she add this? The marriage is broken down and cannot be fixed. It is not in our best interest to keep trying to fix it. I asked the court to approve this divorce complaint, which would end my marriage forever, and give me back my former name. No, the name stays home, bitch. The name stays home. Latricia Radis. I swear that all of the information I provided above is complete and accurate. I understand that if I lie on this form, I can be fined and sent to jail. Sign below. What is this fucking date, y'all? I don't know what the fuck this is. $2024. That's all I understand. Is this the 8/10? October 18th? Like, what the fuck is this? I know she used to be in the military, so I don't know if they write the time like this, but what the fuck is this? Can y'all give me the date 10/18? Ain't it supposed to have some commas or something through this bitch? Some dashes anywhere? Can we get it? Cha! I cannot. Notary done filed, signed this shit line. September on this date. This the notary. The 18th of 2024. September 18th. And she took this bullshit to the court the next day. So Trish, you could get this damn notary in a heap of fucking trouble. Because they signed on this shit. They supposed to verify what the fuck you telling them is true. Now you got this lady that stamped this shit over here and your ass on here lying. And it says it right here at the top. Divorce complaint. See, she filed it the 19th of September. It says right here, no minor children, no assets or debts for the court to divide. And what it said up here, and then what it says here, The defendant and I have no children from this marriage under the age of 19, and the wife is not pregnant. Y'all have 2 kids under the age of 19. Y'all, we done went into a rabbit hole. Yeah, the notary got to be related to Ken and some with the judge and stuff. Because remember, he all, oh, and if it ain't but 30 days, it's already signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. That's what he probably singing to Trish. Signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. She like, and cancel. Boy, like, somebody get Marques back in this bitch. Okay? Period. So I don't know. Okay, let me go back to Alicorp because I want to look at the other documents that I didn't look at before. Let me see. Okay. Oh shit, y'all, we got more documents. We have more documents. Okay, let me get this one together, y'all. And then let me see. Let me look back and look and see the other documents. Oops. Y'all just watch this on the screen until I get my ass back around here. I think this the one I looked already had. Let me see. This is just like the rules and stuff like that she signed on to ain't mailing them Judge Allison or they got all of them on here. They even got Ruth, did them friend. Ruth, she on his one too. But this is just signing Thank you, Miss Janetta Speaks, for the super chat. More docs, period. Okay. Child, we have to get to these damn documents. Okay. More documents. Let me I gotta send, I'm gonna send this one to let me get y'all the money song while I get these documents over.
All I really wanna see is the I don't really need a D, I need the all a bad bitch need is the
Wait, what the fuck is this? Oh, this is the one I need to download. Okay, let me get this. Okay, here we go. Let me. I already downloaded it. Okay. Did I download it? Okay. Okay, let me send it so I can put myself on here, and then we'll get to this one. The other document, in the meantime, I'll put that up here. So y'all could see. It's just like the rules and stuff like that that they had her sign. And all the judge signed it. Okay. Let me look at this. I'm just looking through this other one. Okay, let me go back and check the other one out. Oh, I need this one too. Oh, this the one I need because this the one says original. One second, y'all. So this is the original one. So it must have been an amended one because this one says original. Okay. Take one last gander. What is this? Oh, I ain't looking none of them. Okay. Let me put this one on the screen so y'all can see these. Look at some of the this is like the parent standing pedente light order of the 23rd Circuit Court revised. Okay. All right. So while y'all look over that, okay, I'm gonna get these documents out. Period. Okay, let me get into these documents. It ain't gonna take long, y'all. Let me do the original one first. Oh, this must be what Ken or Raggedy Tail was talking about. Okay, this one ain't got much on it. All right. Almost done, y'all. Almost done. Give me a momento. Okay. Done with that one. Let me let this one load. Okay. And then we go back to this one. Couple more seconds, guys. Couple more seconds. And we in this thing. Oh, this is what went out to Marques. Okay. Okay. While that one downloading, let me pull up the other one. Y'all still with me? Y'all hitting that like button? We getting tea in live action. Live action tea. Okay, let me share this screen. Move, Cookie. Come on, move. Okay, summon civil. Marques. The complaint or other document which is attached to this summons is important, and you must take immediate action to protect your rights. You or your attorney are required to file the original of the written answer, either admitting or denying each allegation in the complaint or other document with the court, with the clerk of this court. A copy of your answer must be mailed or hand delivered by you or your attorney to the plaintiffs or attorney on the plaintiffs. So this is Shaboing Boing, her address. And it does say this answer must be mailed or delivered within 30 days after this summons, and or other documents were served on you, or a judgment by default may be rendered. I think that is rendered you and the money or other things demanded in the complaint or other document. Okay, so it looks like they have to deliver this within 30 days, and then he has to respond within 30 days as well. Okay. To any sheriff or any person authorized by the Alabama Rules of Civil Procedure to serve process. Okay. Service by certified mail of this summons is initiated upon written request below of Tricia pursuant to Alabama Rule 820/2024. Certified mail is requested. So they must have got it back with the return of service. Let me look at the other document. Can y'all still see it? Okay. Oh, shit. Wait a minute, y'all. Okay. Okay, let me read this top part again because this was the other one, and this stamp was over here where we couldn't see it. Once a copy of your answer, either admitting or denying the allegations in the complaint or other documents which the court of this clerk of this court, a copy of your answer must be mailed or hand delivered by you or your attorney and the plaintiff's attorney, Patricia. The answer must be mailed or delivered within 30 days after the summons. Other documents are served. Damn. I don't see anything different on this one that she did on the first one. And she's supposed to have been sending this certified mail. So I can still also see her not doing that shit because they haven't had a court case. But again, he filed his response 11/14. 11/14. And his on the 13th of December is when it was assigned to a judge. So what y'all think about this? Yeah, that girl is Marques twin, and that boy is Trisha's. Just saying why she doesn't want child support. I don't know, because if he asking for 50-50 custody, she might end up paying him some child support if they grant it. And it looks like he's back in Huntsville, so she might be looking at a thing here. She might be looking at a thing here. So we'll have to look at that. I hope that she don't have that mama chin. She looked like him. She looked like him. Child, look at y'all. Y'all so damn eager and messy. So these are documents straight from the court site. So this is what we have. I had this all the time. But that one that we did show, it did show that that she said no kids. She did the petition that had no kids or no properties that they had in the marriage. No minor children. And then even right here, it says about a defendant and I have no children from this marriage under the age of 19, and the wife is not pregnant. She signed this with the notary. So maybe Marques is looking at this as she filed this right here as saying that they didn't have any kids. Well, I mean, he right. She did file it to say that they didn't have any kids. No minor kids. And it says it right here as well. And, minor kids usually is under 18, but here it specifies of any kids under 19. And so this is another lie. She contested to this. And it also says, I swear that all the information I provided above is complete and accurate. I understand that if I lie on this form, I can be fined and sent to jail. Now, her and Ken better shut the hell up before Marques try to have this shit enforced. Because, I mean, like I said, I can see her signing the wrong one or something like that, but she signed, it clearly says it right here that this petition here is for no kids or something like that. And then in the thing, hey, discerning, how your mom-in-law doing? Thank you for the super chat. Tay, Alabama is a shared state for child support. Oh, okay. So she could pay if it is shared in the state he was living. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Let me give you the money song. Child.
All I really want to see is us. I don't really need a D, I need the. All a bad bitch need is us.
All right. So what do y'all think about this? This motherfucker. He ought to be ashamed. I mean, she ought to be ashamed of herself. Marques ain't lie on her. And not all like that. We haven't seen a lot of lies that he's told. Most of the shit that he say is consistent. Like, I'm trying to think of a lie that I think he told. I can't really think of a lie that I think he told, but he said that and people might think he lying about, doing whatever he do for the kids or whatever. But in my opinion, Trish said out of her own mouth that she wasn't like saying shit. Like, it was even when they was together, like she ain't tripped. So if he wasn't doing shit, then he must have not been doing shit when they was together, because she said it. She didn't care. It wasn't a problem. She handled it. It wasn't a problem, but it's a problem now with Ken. But again, Ken shouldn't have no fucking say in this shit because whatever he got to say, it should only be said to Shaboing Boing. Bitch, this girl is still married to this motherfucker. You don't have shit to say about shit. Move out the fucking house then. Do that. But everything you do, we don't need to fucking hear about it. And I'm not saying that that's not, you know, I mean, he taking care of business at his house that, you know, that's what the fuck you supposed to do. If you living in a house with a woman with got kids. And even if you are picking up some slack for Marques, then what the fuck else? I mean, okay. If, in my opinion, since they've been fucking separated all this fucking time that you've been with her, allegedly, why the fuck you went on this bitch head about getting a fucking damn divorce or fucking getting child support for him? Since when he moved his ass to fucking out the house, she should have been filing for child support. If they hadn't worked through their damn orders for custody and all and then finalize that they're gonna do divorce. You seek child support. You seek that no matter fucking what, because at the end of the day, your kids can use that child support, whether you want it or need it or not. So I don't understand. And Shaboing Boing put on them papers that she worked at NASA. So if you're an engineer at fucking NASA, why is Ken acting like you a broke ass welfare recipient or some shit? Not that all welfare recipients are broke, but I'm just saying they need government assistance because they need something to supplement whatever income they have. It ain't enough. So why are you acting like this girl is just broke, busted, and fucking disgusted? Like she dusty or something. This motherfucker done had an 18-year fucking career. And the minute he got a fucking chance to, he threw every fucking thing up in her face as well. So it ain't no fucking way I'll be sitting on that reunion stage with this motherfucker, talking shit with him, or co-signing his shit because he don't let you say a motherfucking word about your situation. It's no way that I would be even allowing that shit. And you don't need to be involved like that. You don't have shit to say to him. Complain to your boys about how much of a deadbeat he is. But it's disrespectful to me that you talk about him like that publicly. So you must talk about him like that in front of his motherfucking kids. And then we give you money. He like, what the fuck you done gave me? Yo, you borrowed money from your son. Bitch, if you gave it to the son, then it's the son fucking money. And he can loan it to his fucking daddy if he want to. I think that's disrespectful as fuck. For every time we turn around, you telling the fucking world what those kids have said about their fucking daddy. How the fuck you know they wanted him to know that? Or he want his friends knowing that his daddy is a damn bum. And it's not coming from content creators and shit like that. It's coming from your motherfucking ass, your mouth. So you can't tell me that you don't be talking about him like a motherfucking dog in front of them damn kids. Damn right I wouldn't want your motherfucking ass around my damn kids. You got too much anger and animosity toward me. How the fuck you love my kids? It's weird. It is weird. Thank you again, Miss Bridget J, for the super chat. Chin allows Kennebus, you the one, Kennebus, to lead her into trouble. Yes. Yes. She's sitting there. He did the same thing to her when he got mad at her. Blurted out everything and you tell your kids, bitch, you tell them. Since you they fucking father. The fuck? I wish a motherfucker would come in here talking about what he done. I don't give a fuck what you done. Give me my damn puss back. Give me that cat back. Do that. Do that. The fuck? Thank you to Certain again for the super chat. Tay, she made more than him, so she couldn't file because she could pay. She would pay him. I think that's what I said. That's what I said. She letting Ken talk her into this bullshit, but shit, he 19 years. You gonna end up paying him, and he put that in that damn complaint too. That's why she lied. Shared means who makes more. And now he's back in Alabama. And that's how it is here. If the parents have joint custody and one parent make more than the other one got to pay the child support. I ain't going to bring up the other two cases that I think that applies to because I don't want to get them no motherfucking ideas. Okay? Let's keep that clean. And yeah, you know what I mean, okay? But yeah, this is a mess. Let me get you the money sound, okay? And that's on P.
Check. All I really want to see is us. I don't really need a D, I need us. All a bad bitch need is us.
Yeah. So yeah, she gonna let Ken talk her into all this shit, and then now he gone. They broke up, allegedly. Now alleging they broke up. So who the fuck, child? And now she got this AB story that she wants to share and want us to go on the journey with. Shaboing, you and Dusty y'all might have to get somebody else to relay y'all stories, motherfucker, because at this point, at this juncture, we don't give a fuck. We don't want to hear that shit. Talk about it with your fucking counselor and get some motherfucking help, because we've been told her ass that she needs some fucking help. She's fucking verbally abusive. In my damn opinion, you and damn Ken, Eddie Levert. So, and as hard as Ken facing got in these past couple damn years, Shaboy boy, you might be the motherfucking problem. I told the girls last night, shit, Marques probably looked at 60 damn too when he left damn Ken. I mean Shaboy boy. And now he done reverted back looking like Benjamin Button. Shaboy boy might do the damn stressing. And don't let us get on Martell and her. Your boy to stress a motherfucker out in a minute, it looks like, okay? So, and again, you are complicit with him verbally abusing your husband, but now we supposed to feel some type of way because he was verbally abusive to you? What do y'all motherfuckers have going on here? I digress. Get these damn men in order. Get y'all shit together. Leave or do whatever the hell you got to. We're not interested in your journeys because y'all lie too motherfucking much. And we is in the state of we want to believe the damn victims. Okay? So we can rally around them and show support, but we can't believe y'all motherfuckers because y'all lie so damn much. And y'all think I'm gonna have to do a pre-record for what I had planned for today. I gotta change the damn title and every damn thing, child. Okay. So y'all have the documents here. So it looks like Marques was not lying when he said that she put that on the papers, because that's what is on the paper, and that she signed it to contest that it was real. Okay, that is true and accurate. Thank you, Christine Lambert, for the super chat. Hey, beautiful. Do you think Ken tried to visit the kids? Them kids. Because I be upset about them kids. He probably kicking damn shaboing boing dough in, trying to act like, I want to see them kids. I want to see Marques kids. That's probably why he tried to flirt with Marques and warm up with him. Try to, can you go by there and get the kids so I can see them? Just tell them to look out the window. Child, he missed shaboing boing and the children, okay? Remember, he just told Maurice and them that he he wouldn't miss her ass, but he damn sure missed them cheering, okay? I want to do a little Alexa be going over there still, okay? Or her mama put a stop to that shit, or did he go back home to the damn mammy to finish verbally abusing her ass mentally? Because that shit he was saying to her, I would have, ooh. But again, he said all that degrading ass shit to you, treated you like you was a common fucking bum. Because basically that's what he was calling you that day, a bum, bitch. Ain't even got a running car. That's what he basically called you. Just for you to get on the reunion 2-3 months later and continue the verbal and mental abusive toward Marques. And it's straight bullying. That's why he always crying, because if he let off into y'all mother, because it ain't gonna be nice. That's my opinion. So that's all I got for y'all. And Ken, with all this, I want everybody to win. Motherfucker, sit down some damn where. Trying to flirt with Marques. In my opinion. Yeah, child collector. He probably he probably gonna be in the child support here, like, Kendall Bleed here for the little the guardian ad litem for the kids, for them kids. Yeah, I would like to offer at least $100 a month for the kids, you know, even though we ain't together. I just want to, you know, put that out there. I'll pay the child support for the kids, okay? That's probably what he gonna have his raggedy damn ass in that damn courtroom doing, looking like a damn chocolate fucking snap turtle. Okay? Sit down some damn where, Ken, and mind your damn business. He probably ain't called them damn kids since he been gone. Or he might be trying to warm them up. Tell your mama I said hi. Because when I tell y'all, that's a badass house they stay in. That's a badass motherfucking house they stay in. And I told y'all the rent is $3,200 a month. $3,200 a month for rent. Y'all should have bought Destiny's damn place. Shit. But I digress. Okay. So he's a weirdo in my opinion. So we'll look into this further. I'll probably do a pre-recorder for what I planned on doing today. And that's 2 damn mortgages. Shit. Child. And Christine, did I give you the money song? If I did, let me quit being rude. Here you go.
Tell them that it's a magic. Money, green, green, money's all I need. Money, green, green.
All right. And that's it for us today. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow, Gossip Girls is going to be on Didim's channel. So please make sure y'all join us in attendance to Gossip Girls. All right. Bye. Thank you for the super chats and everything.